So I just ran the test, I just bled the Hey guys, so welcome back to the Kimball project. I've been off for a little while. I was doing one of my projects, hurt my back a little bit, so I've been down for a couple of weeks, but now I'm back. Unfortunately, the BMW gave me another coolant leak. So I have no idea where it's coming from. The water pump is relatively new. It's only about maybe 8 months old. So I have a feeling it may be the thermostat housing, but I'm not sure. I should have replaced it when I replaced the water pump, but I didn't. Even when I did my oil pan gasket, I should have just replaced it, but I didn't. And now I think that's what it is, but I'm not sure yet. So I'm just gonna have to go through this thing and see. So hopefully I can figure out what's going on with it and fix it. Hopefully it's pretty simple, because this could end up being a nightmare. But anyway, let's get started on this one. First thing I'm going to do is I tapped off the antifreeze in the reservoir, and now I'm just doing a bleed to see if I can pressurize the system and get it to leak at all. So now, I'll go into the car and check it out. Oh, not seeing any drips. Hey guys, I just did the bleed test on the water pump. I was hoping to pressurize it a little bit maybe and see if there was a leak, but there is none. So I'm gonna have to run the engine for a while and get it nice and hot and see where it leaks. So, I mean, the thermostat housing is plastic, so if it gets hot, it's gonna expand a little bit. So, let's give that a shot and see how it works. Okay guys, so I think I found it. Right there, you can see the reservoir is leaking. So I think I just have a crack. Okay, so I just siphoned all the coolant out of the reservoir. I just used a little hand siphon pump. Now I'm gonna take this thing off of here, and hopefully I can get a new one within a couple of days. Just 10mm bolts. Here. Whoa, 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 whoa. So, looks like it's leaking right in here. Where am I at? Yeah, leaking right here. So, no good. Okay, so I ended up just going to the BMW dealership to buy a new reservoir. It was just easier, and I needed it done kind of quick, so I couldn't wait for the shipping to order online and have it shipped to me. So I just went there. It wasn't too far off. It was only like 150 bucks, and then I think online I was going to get it for like 120 bucks or something. So it's not that, it wasn't that much of a big deal for me. So I just went ahead and went to the dealership and got it. So here it is, the brand new one. Nice and new. So I'm going to go ahead and get this installed now. So this is pretty easy install. Have to plug everything back up. It's like one of the easiest things I've had to do on here so far. Plug in the sensor. Hose on down here. It gave me such a hard time yesterday. And it switched right on. No problems. Alright. Beautiful, beautiful. Clips back on. Okay, so I do take out this plug here. I got a brass one for it because on my on the old reservoir, it actually blew the top piece of this off, so the threaded piece was actually still left in there. So I ended up going with a brass one, and this has worked great. Okay, now fill this bad boy back up. Actually, you put this in later because we have to wait for it to overflow. Just going to fill this up until it comes out of the little overflow hole there. There we go. As you can see, it overflowed out of the overflow hole. That's what we want. So This is not just straight antifreeze, this is a 50-50 mix. That I usually buy the antifreeze and concentrate and then mix it 50-50. Now I'll run I'm going to hook up the car charger to it, and I'm going to run the bleeder test on it to, not the bleeder test, I'm going to run the bleeder function to get all the air bubbles out. Okay, for the bleed cycle, all you're going to do is insert the key in, hit the start button. Basically turn the ignition on. Turn the heat all the way up and turn the fan blower all the way down to 1. Then you just hold on the gas pedal for 10 seconds. And now you can hear the water pump cycle on and off. There it is. Okay, so I got the charger hooked up. It's running the bleed cycle. It's going on and off. It's going to do that for about 12 minutes. And then it's pretty much done. This has been the super easiest, probably the easiest project I've done. Not really a project. It was so easy and simple once I found out the reservoir was causing the leak. This has been like the easiest task on this car that I've done so far. Well, the blower fan was pretty easy in the dash. That was pretty easy, but this is super simple. I mean, I thought I was gonna have to rip off, you know. I thought I was gonna have to take out the thermostat, which is kind of a pain, but as it turns out, it's super simple. So that does it for this video. It's a super simple project, and we'll see you on the next one.